I'm sure you guys are tired of picking a product, making an entire store for it, running ads just to find out that the product is dead. So in this video, I'm gonna be revealing the top 5 winning dropshipping products that you need to be selling on your store here in September 2023. Now, each and every single one of these products have been vetted by myself and my team because before I even made this video, I did a bunch of research using tools like PPSpy, PP Ads, Facebook Ad Library, TikTok Creative Center, and so much more to be sure that these products are currently trending in the market and are actually making sales. Now, I don't want to waste up too much of your time, so be sure to go ahead and like the video, comment down below any questions you may have about dropshipping, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And if you're somebody out there that needs some help with your dropshipping business and you need someone to hold your hand through the entire process, be sure to go down to the description and fill out the application for my coaching program. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop right in and get started. So product number 1 is this mother's baby comforter. So pretty much it's just a swaddle that you tie around your waist and then you put the baby inside. And this is a way to comfort your kid, whether they're throwing a tantrum or they just want some love from their mothers. So this is definitely a problem-solving product and something that I know for a fact that mothers would love to purchase. Now this is the AliExpress listing, and as you can see, it's called the Baby Wrap Carrier, and you're gonna be getting this product for $9.72. And I believe the competitor is selling this product for $39. So that's gonna give you about a $29 to $30 profit margin on every single one of these products sold. And as you can see, this product has a 4.4 star rating with over 97 sold. And don't let that fool you, this product is definitely selling. I have a student who is currently scaling this product as we speak. And this product also comes in a bunch of different colors. It comes in the orange and white version, and it also comes in plum and black, but there's plenty of other listings that have other colors, so I recommend that you add every color to give your customers some options. Now heading over to the competitor's website, I actually think that they're doing a fairly good job on this website. So as you can see, it's called the Mama's Bonding Comforter. They are selling it for $39, so you are gonna be getting around $29 profit margin on every single one of these sold. They only offer 3 colors, so I really feel like this is where you could come in and capitalize, and you can offer more variations, giving your customers a lot more options to choose from. And what I love about their product description is this is very similar to how I map out all of my product descriptions. If you haven't seen my previous video, I literally walk you step by step on how to make a Shopify store from scratch. It's a little longer of a video, but trust me, it's super valuable. I'm gonna link it somewhere up here. But as you can see, they have their headline, keeps your hands free and your baby close. They have some supporting text, and then they have a bunch of gifts, which I love. You can also see right here, they have this what our customers think section, and they have a bunch of testimonials of other people using the product. And then they end their product description with a bunch of different people using the product. And as you can see, people are extremely happy. Like, come on, look at that. Why wouldn't you want to purchase this product? So hopping into product number 2, we have this elastic sofa cushion. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of my favorite products on this list because I believe you can go crazy with this type of product. So as you can see, it's literally just a cover for your sofa. So if you have a dog like myself, I have a husky, they shed a lot of hair. This is gonna help protect your couch. If you have kids, it's gonna help protect your couch from, spilling drinks or, spilling your food, so on and so forth. And as you can see, they have a bunch of different colors that you can choose from. So the variations that your customers can pick from is gonna be endless. The product has 5-star reviews, it's over 67 sold, and you're gonna be getting the product for $7.56. But if you head over to the competitor's website, they're selling this product for $18.99, and they're calling it the Magic Sofa Cover. I'm sure you're thinking $18.99, that's not enough margin, but hold on, there's a catch. See right here, they have this select your cover section. Now they sell seat covers, back covers, chase covers, and depending on which ones you need, the price is gonna reflect that. So let's just say we need one of each of these. This is now gonna come out to $68.97. But if we come back to the AliExpress listing, you're only gonna be getting this product for $7.56. Let's just say, for example, all 3 of those seat covers cost you, let's just call it $8. That's $24 for all 3 of those seat covers. They're selling it for $68. That's gonna leave you with $44 in net profit. And as you can see by the competitor's video ad, it is very satisfying to watch. They show all the different colors. They show, they really target like pet owners and people who have snags and tears in their couches. They show the material. They show how easy it is to install. And I know for a fact that customers will definitely dig this type of product. Now they definitely have a bunch of reviews on their site, but one thing that I think that they can really improve on, or something you can improve on if you start selling this product, is just have some gifts in their actual product description. Like based off of that video ad we just saw, they have a bunch of different videos that they can use as gifts, showing like how stretchy it is, showing the different materials and things like that, instead of just having like a stock image. So speaking of video ads, if you want these products to actually work for you and you want to start seeing some results with your dropshipping business, you need some high converting ad creatives. So fortunately for you, I'm going to be revealing exactly where I get all of my video ads created. So be sure you go ahead and stay locked into this video. So I get mine from a company called Viral Ecom Ads, and they have a bunch of proven to convert video ad packages. Whether you want video ads from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, they got you covered. They even do UGC style content as well. So they'll pair you with an influencer and you can get more lifestyle type of videos. You can get how-to videos, unboxing videos, testimonials, so on and so forth. And they have all the results to back it up, as you can see from all of these Shopify screenshots and all of the reviews down here below. I know the owners personally, and I can personally vouch for them that they've done millions of dollars in the dropshipping space. They also have a VIP program as well. Now this program is dope because they're gonna give you 75% off of any of their video ad packages. They also give you 1-day delivery on video ads and 1-day revisions, and they'll even deliver the ads on the weekends. But for me personally, there's a specific type of video ad that I like to purchase from them. So I just come to the top, click on video ads, and then video ad packages. Now I either get this split testing package right here, which is for Facebook and Instagram ads, or I just get this TikTok split testing package, which is obviously for TikTok ads. The TikTok split testing package is gonna give you 3 ad variations for your one product. So you're gonna get 3 different videos, and you're gonna get this for $50. If you use code Jaden15 at checkout, you get 15% off, or if you're a VIP member, you only get this for $12.50. Now I recommend that you add both of these selections here for the add TikTok text and for the TikTok voiceover. Now I recommend you do this because as soon as you receive your video ads to your email, they're already gonna be ready for you to use on your ads manager, okay? So you're gonna have the text on screen, you're gonna have the voiceover, so there's gonna be no need for you to have to script these videos yourself. To check out Viral Ecom Ads for yourself, be sure to hit the link in the description, let them know that I sent you, and also be sure that you use code Jaden15 at checkout for 15% off your purchase. So hopping into product number 3, we have this adjustable pet car seat belt. Now, I'm actually thinking about investing into this for my dog because every single time we have her in the car and we take her to PetSmart to get cleaned or to the park, she's just sitting in the back seat with no car seat, with no belt on, nothing. So this product right here can be a lifesaver to your pet. So as you can see right here, it just hooks up right to their harness and it goes right into the seat belt. And it comes in a bunch of different colors. It comes in black, red, purple, so on and so forth. And it has a 4.5 star rating, 99 reviews, over 900 sold. And you're gonna be getting the product for only $2.53. And the video ad is just playing on the pain point of a pet owner. It shows literally what it looks like if you were to get into an accident with your pet with no seatbelt. They literally fly right into the dashboard, okay? And then right at the end, it'll show like the solution, which is obviously the leash. It hooks right onto the harness and it goes right into the seatbelt. And as you can see, the video ad itself has 62,000 likes, 19,000 comments, 35,000 shares, and there's a bunch of comments of people asking like where they can get this product, and even people are sharing their experience, showing their dogs actually using the product itself. So here's the competitor's product page. The company's called Classy Pet Life. They are running a free plus shipping model. As you can see, the product is $0. I went through their funnel. They're charging for shipping, and they're also banking that, you know, their customers are gonna take the upsells and the downsells. One thing I recommend is that you don't have this guaranteed safe checkout badge. It looks extremely scammy. You don't need this on your website. The rest of the description is okay. It's not the greatest, but they do have some gifts showing off the product. One thing I do, wow, they have this trust badge twice. Okay, so not only once, but they have it twice. So definitely remove that. One thing that they definitely can improve on is their reviews. I know that there's a bunch of image reviews. We even saw one on the Facebook page on their actual video ad, and they have none here. Which I really believe is hurting those conversions. But other than that, the product description is pretty solid. Let's hop right into the next product. So hopping into product number 4, we have these hair extensions for women. Now, these aren't your typical hair extensions. These are no clip hair extensions. So I'm guessing that it's a lot easier to put in and take out, which women love because they spend endless amounts of money when it comes to buying extensions for their hair, okay? So as you can see, here's the product right here. It has a 4.7 star rating, over 800 sold. So definitely there's a proof of concept there, and women are loving this type of product. And you're gonna be getting it for $1.77. So there's definitely a huge markup. Once I show you the brand, I believe they're selling it for about $45 to $49. So they're definitely making a hefty penny on this product. And there are a bunch of colors. There's endless amounts of hair colors. You have beach blonde, jet black, off black, so on and so forth. So here's their TikTok. It's called Beauty Bello brand. They have over 233,000 followers, and this is how I was able to find this product in the first place, just by scrolling through my feed. They have endless amounts of videos of other women reviewing these products, showing their before and afters, and other types of lifestyle type of videos. So here's our website, Beauty Bello Extensions. They're running a buy one get one free offer right now, which is a great offer, but they wouldn't be able to do it if they didn't have the margins to do so. So I know that this is definitely a great product to sell just based off the markup alone. As you can see, they have some different imagery here. No glue, no tape, no clip-ins. That's kind of like their, marketing angle, I guess you could say. They make it really easy for you to be able to choose which type of extensions you should pick. Do you have a brunette hair? Do you have black hair, blonde hair, auburn hair? Their website is fantastic. It makes their customers, it makes their customers' life a lot easier, because I'm sure that this can get confusing because there's so many different colors, so many different styles. But their website is fantastic. I mean, it says the quickest and easiest extensions ever. Get your dream hair in seconds. And then they have a bunch of GIFs and high quality images showing before and afters, showing other women easily taking the hair extensions out of their hair and putting it in. And this is kind of how I like to have my website set up. A GIF or a high quality image, then some supporting text or a key benefit with a shop now button, and then it just flips back and forth. And then they end their product page with a bunch of different reviews of other women using the hair extensions, and they all seem pretty happy with the product. One thing I do want to highlight is that they have this frequently asked questions section, which I believe that every person should have on their Shopify product page, just because it highlights things that customers are going to ask, and it just helps them through the entire buying journey. So that way they have more trust in your brand and they don't have to come and ask you a question before they go ahead and purchase. All right, so hopping into the fifth and final product on this list, we have this car charger adapter. That's what we're gonna call it because I'm not sure what the name is. But as you can see, it's just an adapter that plugs right into your phone, and it's really cool because it has two different retractable cords. It has an Android cable so you can charge with your Android phone, and it has an iPhone cable so you can charge your iPhone. But they also have different variations where you can get two iPhone cables or two Android cables, depending on the type of devices that your family has. It also has a USB slot so you can charge anything through USB. It also has a Type-C slot as well. And you're going to be getting the product for $4.46. And if you come over to the Facebook post, as you can see, it was posted on August 18th. I'm going to play this really quickly. And it already has 22,000 likes, 1.5K comments, and 2.8K shares. And you can see in the video of the lady going ahead and pulling out the retractable iPhone cable, the retractable Android cable. This product will be fantastic for anybody who spends a lot of time in their car, or it'll be a great product for any type of road trip. But as you can see, there are a bunch of comments that are recent of people asking about the product. And this is the competitor's website. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time on this because this website is absolutely terrible. But this is good news for you because you can come in, take this product, and really make a one product branded store. It looks like they kind of know what they're doing, I guess you can say, because they have volume discounts here. They do have some quality gifts showing off the product, showing the iPhone cable being extracted, the Android cable being extracted, but their description is, just terrible. You do not want to have Q&A set up like this with so many different colors. They have purple, they have what color is this? Like a red, orange, brown. It has every color in the rainbow on this store. But again, you could come in, make a great quality store, and I believe that you can really crush it with this type of product. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope that you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content. And if you're an entrepreneur out there that's looking for a like-minded community full of other individuals who are also dropshipping, be sure to go to the description and sign up for my free Discord server. It's 100% free. There's a bunch of other dropshippers in there as well. So feel free to network. There's a bunch of free resources as well. And I'm also constantly chiming in and dropping a bunch of game. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.